So today we'll see how you can compile a C program in your Linux operating system. So first of all, let's see. This is the terminal in the operating Ubuntu or Linux operating system, and using the command ls we can see the current folders in my current directory. Maybe I want to go to desktop, that is here. So to go desktop we write cd desktop. Then let's see what are the folders available here. There's a test folder, so let's go there. And what is there? Nothing. So now here I want to create a C file, and I will compile that file and run the file to see the output. So to make the C file, to write the C program, we need an editor. So in Ubuntu we have a very smart editor, text editor, that is Gedit. So I will create a new file and open it with this text editor. So maybe I want a file named new.c, because C programming language files are stored using this extension .c. So and I will add an end, it will open the file. So now here I will write the C code. So to write any programming language, if we want to use any default operations or default functions or methods, we need to include that at the beginning, right? So to write a C program, at first we will include some library functions, or in C we call that header files. So the command is #include the name of the header file. So here the name of the header file will be stdio, that is standard input output.h. So I need this header file because I want to print something, and to print something, to get the functionality of print, I need this header file in my C program. And now I will start writing my program, that is int I write my main function. It will return an integer value, it will take no parameter, and this is the function. And inside of main function, what I want to do is very simple. I want to print a single line. So to print a line, the function name in C is printf. So this is the function, and inside this function I will I will write what I want to print. That will be the parameter to this function. For example, if I want to write welcome to Linux, so I want to print these things. And maybe at the end I want to print a new line, so the symbol for new line is \n. So this is the thing I want to print, and this is the printf function. And every statement in C programming ends with a semicolon, which is very important. So now I've written a semicolon, and at the end my main function expects something in the return. So I will return 0. So this return value from the main function, the return value is sent to the operating system, and if the work or the execution is successful, the return value should be 0. So that's why I've written 0. Now let's save it and close it. So now here if we write ls, I can see that there's a new file created here, new.c. Now I want to compile the file. To compile the C file, we need to have a compiler, and in Linux there's a default compiler for compiling C file, that is GCC. So I'll write GCC, and the file I want to compile, that is new.c, then -o, that is after compiling what will be the output. I want to have an executable file which name will be new. So now the compilation is done, And now if I see that, yes, you can see there's executable file that is new. So I want to execute that file. To execute the file, I'll write dot slash and the executable file name, that is new. So see, welcome to Linux. So after writing the program, after compiling the program, and now we have run the program and we can see the output. So this is how you can write a C program in Linux and compile it.